What if I told you that the freshest, healthiest food you could eat doesn't have to come from a store? It can come from your own backyard or even your balcony.
Hi, we're Steve and Becky. For nearly a decade, we ran a commercial vegetable farm, Smoky Mountain Produce, growing fresh, healthy food for our community.
But life threw us a curveball. A rare immune condition now means I can't be around naturally occurring soil fungi or humid greenhouse environments. Farming the way we used to just isn't possible anymore.
It was indeed a shock, but instead of giving up, we realized something amazing. Our years of hands on growing experience could help so many people learn to grow their own healthy food no matter where they live.
That's why we created GrowFYI, a YouTube channel and online learning hub dedicated to teaching you everything we know about growing vegetables, microgreens, and more.
And it's not just about growing food, it's about nutrition, flavor, and turning what you grow into ready to eat recipes that you and your family will love.
We'll show you how to grow amazing produce in your backyard, on your balcony, or even indoors without needing years of experience or a huge garden.
And for those who want to take it further, our GrowFYI Learning Hub offers in-depth courses, guides, and tips to accelerate your success.
So, if you're ready to take control of your food, your health, and your kitchen, hit that subscribe button.
Join our community, explore our videos, and dive into our online curriculum to start growing your own healthy, delicious food today.
Welcome to GrowFYI, where growing healthy food is simple, fun, and possible for everyone.